Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable LED flash alerts on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. It doesn't matter if you have an older iPhone or the latest one, this feature is available to you also. This is a useful little feature, and it allows you to get a flashing alert when you receive a text message, phone call, and other types of notifications. You can easily enable this or disable this if you think the feature is annoying. First of all, open the settings on your device, then go to the accessibility option. Now scroll down until you can see an audio-visual button. So click on it, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You are going to see a LED flash for alerts. So enable it by clicking here, and now your iPhone will flash a couple of times when you receive a notification. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.